In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Confluence page as a Word document. First, start by logging into your Confluence account. Once you're signed in, head to the space that contains the content you want. Spaces are like folders for related pages, so selecting the right one helps you quickly find what you need. From there, navigate to the specific page you want to export. Make sure you're on the published version of the page, not a draft. Drafts can look different, and exporting from a published page ensures you get the final, accurate content that others see. When you're on the page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Actions menu. Click that to open a list of page options. In that menu, find and select the export option. This is where Confluence groups all of the ways you can take content out of the platform. Next, choose Export as Word. This tells Confluence to package the page into a .doc or .docx file that you can open in Microsoft Word or other compatible editors. This is especially handy if you need to make formatting tweaks, share the content with colleagues who don't use Confluence, or include the page in a formal document. After you select Export as Word, give it a moment to process. The time it takes can vary based on the size of the page and any images or attachments included. During this step, Confluence is converting your headings, text, images, and tables into a Word-friendly format. Keep an eye out for any on-screen progress indicators. Once the export is ready, the file will download automatically. Depending on your browser settings, it may save straight to your default downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose a location on your computer. Open the file to verify that everything looks correct. The export typically preserves the structure of your page, including headings and most formatting. If certain advanced macros or dynamic elements don't look the same in Word, that's normal, and you can adjust them afterward within Word if needed. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, selected your space and page, confirmed it was published, used the 3 dots menu, chosen export, picked export as Word, waited for the conversion, and downloaded your file. You're now ready to share, edit, or archive your content in a widely compatible format. Thanks for watching.